Hello students, the given question is from test series 4 and subject analog and from the chapter feedback and oscillator circuit. It is a common data question. Here for this 3-phase oscillator circuit we need to find out the value for the RF required to get self-sustained oscillation. This is the given circuit. It is having 3 stages. Each stage is connected with one resistance R and here it is with RF and see like this it is connected with 3 stages. Now let us consider this point as X and this is also with feedback, this is also with X and it will be, we'll take it as this point as Y, this point as Z. We need to find out the value for this RF. For this above circuit, the loop gain it will be 1. So Y by X and Z by Y and X by Z it will be 1. For each stage is here identical. So Y by X cube it will be equal to 1. Now consider for only one stage, that is single stage. This is, we'll take it as X point and it will be Y with resistance 1 R and positive terminal of this op amp it is grounded with RF and C. So Y by X it will be equal to minus RF, it is parallel with 1 by CS and whole divided by R, it will be equal to RF by R 1 plus S RF C. So for 3 stages it will be Y by X whole cube equal to 1 minus RF by R 1 plus S RF C it will be equal to 1. Further if you see it will be equal to minus RF by R whole cube equal to 1 plus SRC whole cube. If you simplify this further, it will get 1 minus omega cube C cube RF cube plus J of 3 omega C RF minus 3 omega square C square RF. Further if you simplify means these are the steps we'll get, and for this step omega square C square RF square equal to 3, we'll call it as equation 1. Now substituting this omega square C square RF square equal to 3, this value in this equation, that is equation A, then we'll get 1 minus 3. This 3 value it will be omega square C square RF square it will be 1. This value we find out from this equation. Substituting this value it will be equal to minus RF cube divided by RF square. It will be equal to, so RF value will be 2R. This is the final answer. So this value will satisfy us with option B, RF equal to 2. This is the final answer. Thank you.